It's tough, drowning under academic pressure and competitive exams. Doubts start to creep in about capabilities and passion, and parents understandably get anxious. I was one of them, and one day, my parents stumbled upon something that would change everything. An education center that believed in me, even when I didn't believe in myself. Walking through those doors, I felt something I hadn't felt in a long time, the confidence and motivation to excel. The mentors understood that a belief can transform one's life. They didn't only focus on academic subjects like math, physics, science, Hindi, but also on fostering a holistic approach to education. I realized it wasn't just about ticking boxes on exams, but discovering who I truly am, what I'm capable of. They understood my thought process. They provided platform to unleash my hidden potential that extended far beyond mere textbooks. Today, I stand here proud of how far I've come. The academic pressure that once weighed me down no longer defines me. I have transformed into a happier, confident, and fulfilled individual. Thank you, EdFalco Academy, for igniting a flame of self-confidence and reliance in me, and for just being there.